Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing our sinking funds for March, and I am going to be using Monkey Lime stickers, and she has a sinking funds strip here, so that's what we're going to start. I am using the right before March sheet. I think I like that, and I think that's how I'm going to continue to use this. So let's go ahead and put sinking funds. It's a smaller strip than the other ones that I've used, but I think it's okay. Let's see how good this is. I think it goes all the way across. Let's see. Got it backwards. I'm a little stuffy right now. I went to the ballet the other day with my daughter, first time going, and it was absolutely beautiful. I enjoyed it. So this is a new kit. So in this kit, I don't see a plus or minus like I liked with February's. It had the category at the beginning, plus and minus, and ending of the sinking fund page. All we have is category, amount, and balance. So I think I'm going to split this one in half and put plus or minus and do it that way. I think that's what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the category here, and then I'm going to split this one in half and do actually probably split it in threes here. Oops. Yeah, so let's get this out. So I am a little out of focus here, but I will fix it in just a second. And I'm so sorry, guys. Can you guys see that? Oh gosh. Clearly you cannot. Sorry about that, guys. I'm gonna put clothes, put heat, lawnmower, Christmas, insurance, YouTube, planner, doctor, and dentist. So just to go over really quickly, I have my car maintenance, my house maintenance, my tax, birthday, clothes, heating, my lawnmower, Christmas, insurance, YouTube, planner, something new, and so is YouTube, doctor, and dentist. Those are all my sinking funds, and you'll be able to see them here completely in just a second. And again, I apologize, guys. And then see, you know what I forgot to put? Jeez, I done did it again. I forgot to put the week ending. Oh gosh. So what I'm gonna do is I'd have to move it all up. That sucks. Why did I do that? Why didn't I put it down first? I should have put the week ending dates. That's what I wanted to put. I guess I have to move this one over again. Yeah. That's what happened the first week. Or last month, and I undid it again for weekly editions here, or weekending. Alright, so here I'm just going to put the weekendings for March, which I believe starts the 2nd, and then the 9th, and then the 16th. Oh no, we have 5 weeks. I forgot. Okay, I forgot we had 5 weeks. So, yeah. I forgot we have 5 weeks, so we're gonna have to make this one teeny tiny. I gotta remember, you know what? I'm gonna separate them in just a second. The rest of the week in the month, so that I don't make this mistake again. So this would be the 23rd. So we're just gonna put 3/23, and then 3/20/30. Okay, so let me just go really fast and make some notes. The ones that have 5 weeks in them. So it looks like we have it. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to put beginning, plus, minus, and then ending. I think that's what I wanted to say. Yeah, ending. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, just leave it like that. Okay, so there we go, guys. Remember, we do have, sorry about this, we do have 6 week endings in March, and this is what we've got so far. So what I've added from last month in February, we stopped at insurance, so I've added 1, 2, 3, 4. I've added 4 more sinking funds, and hopefully that should be enough. Some of these sinking funds later on in the year, like the lawnmower and the heat, I will not need. Really? Well, I don't know. I know definitely not the lawnmower, because once I pay that, once I buy one, you know, that'll be paid for and done with. So they will change from month to month, but this is what we have for our March sinking funds. That's all I have, guys. Thank you for spending a moment of your time with me.